Hi, I'm Thomas Frederick, and this is my website. So here's the home page. It just gives an introduction into the class. And I put a little GIF in. This is my biography. It just goes over where I'm from and my history, through high school and college. This is my list of the DGO that we went through. And then this next slide, or next page, is my favorites. After this, we have the tech projects in the digital story. Wait, this is the tech project. These are all like the slides that we did. Next are the PLE and PLN projects. Next are the mobile app. I used Canva for mine. And this is it. Then we have the website evaluation. Got that attached right here. And then this is where the screencast will go, and then also my Apple teacher certification. Thank you for watching.